Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. This is how to cut a tomato. We'll do it in 4 ways. If you want to slice a tomato, turn it onto its side. Make sure not to do slices crossways. We're gonna do it this way. Slice off the top and then slice into thin slices. You'll notice I'm using a serrated knife, which is easiest for cutting through the tomato skin. Next, we'll cut the tomato into wedges. Simply cut it in half and then cut in half again. You can make smaller wedges by then cutting right down the center. Now we'll dice the tomatoes. Your recipe may call for with the seeds or without the seeds. I will show you both ways. Again, use that serrated knife, have a nice firm grip at the base of your knife. And for dicing tomatoes with seeds, you'll take these slices and then just slice those into strips. Then turn them and slice in the other direction. If you're using your tomato in a salad, you may want to core it. Here's how you do it. Run your knife along the side of the tomato, cutting out the seeds and the core. And then to dice, just slice in half and turn it the other direction, dice that up. That's everything you need to know about how to cut a tomato. For more of our knife skills videos, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head to acouplecooks.com.